Hey girl, hey, welcome to PJ's World. And today I'm cooking some turkey wings, okay? We're gonna bake them in the oven. They're gonna be real good. It's gonna be quick, it's gonna be easy. This is not a complicated recipe, okay? You can do it. Anybody can do this, okay? Just follow what I do. It's gonna be real fast, so don't blink. And as you can see, y'all, I'm having a bad hair day today. I have to shampoo my hair after this video, so that's why I have this little thing on here. Y'all like it though? It's kind of cute though, low key now. Let me show you what you'll need. Okay, so you'll need some olive oil, that's that right there, some lemon pepper, some seasoned salt, some garlic powder, a little Tony's Creole seasoning. We're gonna use a little bit of that, and of course you need your turkey wings. Okay, so here are my turkey wings right here. I have them in the sink. I just rinsed these off and picked out the little feathers. So when you get these, rinse them real good in some cool water and make sure you get all of the little feathers off that they may have on there. And now we're gonna go ahead and season them. So I'm gonna lower y'all down so y'all can have a nice little view. But the first thing that you're gonna do, you're gonna take that olive oil that you have now and you're gonna pour that over the turkey wings. Okay, pour it over the turkey wings, and then of course we're gonna work that around. Ooh, my hand looks really ashy on here. Next, we'll add our next seasoning. I'll add some lemon pepper. So we're just gonna sprinkle lemon pepper on all of these. Now be, you know, real generous with it. You wanna make sure they have a lot of flavor. These some big turkey wings now, so. We're gonna season this side first. And then after we season this side with the lemon pepper, we'll flip it over and, you know, do the same seasons that we're using on the other side. Now we're going to sprinkle some garlic powder. Okay, sprinkle that on all of them. There we go. Okay, now it might look like it's a lot, but trust me, it's not. It's not at all. Unless you like your food bland, then hey. Okay, now I'm just sprinkling a little bit of the Tony's on here. That's what this is. Tony's Creole seasoning, there we go. Okay. And now we're just gonna flip it over. So flip these over like that. And now we'll season this side. Okay, now we're just gonna roll them around. Make sure that they are covered all over. Okay, they look a little messy right now, but it's gonna taste real good, baby. Okay, so y'all see that? Now they're all seasoned, okay? So we're done with the seasoning part. Now all we gotta do is what? Put them in the oven. That's it. So if you wanna add a little parsley to yours, you can do that. You can use fresh parsley if you have it, or you can just use this little stuff right here. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit on there, just to make it cute. That's all. So I'm just gonna put them in the oven now. And again, that should take about 40 to 50 minutes to bake. So all we did was just sprinkle a little parsley on here, that's it. Now they looking cute. And we're gonna go ahead and put them in there. Okay, y'all, I'm back. My turkey wings are done. So let me show y'all what these look like, honey.
Boy, you see what I see? I'm finna get that.
They're done, y'all. It was really easy. Now they did take a while. I would say these took probably like an hour and 15 minutes for real to cook. I did have to add a little more water after they had cooked for a few minutes. So, you know, you might have to do that. Keep an eye for that. Keep an eye out for that. What else did I do? That's all though. Okay, so let me do a little taste test for you guys. Here's my turkey wing. Y'all see that? Can you see that? Look at that. Don't it look good? Oh! Let me see what it tastes like though. Let's see. Mmm. That is good, y'all. Dang. That's a good turkey wing. It got a little crispy on it. Mmm. That's good. That's good, y'all. Try this recipe. If you try it, let me know. I'm hungry for real today, so I'm about to go eat. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow this page if you're watching this on Facebook. Y'all, these some good looking wings. That's all I got to say though, y'all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.